study what it means. What is quantum computing and how does it work?
Well, there's a race going on, a race between China, the United States, between IBM and Google, a race to dominate the next generation of computers, because Silicon Valley could become a rust belt. Think about that. The digital computer of today could be like the abacus of years gone by. We're talking about the computer of today could become obsolete with this race to perfect the next generation, which is quantum computers. Instead of computing on transistors, we're computing on atoms. Think about that. This is the ultimate computer. There's nothing smaller than what you can do with atoms, and that's what these quantum computers compute with. And it raises all sorts of problems. The CIA is worried that quantum computers will break right through the CIA and any kind of a barrier being placed around your secrets. Industries are going to be created out of nothing. Medicine is going to be turned upside down. Energy production, society, entertainment, every aspect of society will be changed with quantum computers. And that's why there's this race, a race to perfect the quantum computer.
Now, what's the worst case scenario if one of these American corporations, let's just say Microsoft, let's say if Microsoft wins the race and they develop some sort of functional quantum computer that just blows everything else out of the water, they essentially become like a superpower.
That's right. Remember when IBM dominated everything and then Microsoft comes along, a bunch of teenagers come along. Everyone thought, these are a bunch of teenagers. What can they do, right? And then these teenagers took over the world. So we're talking about something on that scale. That's a company that can make a breakthrough to make a workable, general-purpose quantum computer. Who wouldn't want to buy one? I mean, you're talking about a runaway bestseller at that point.
Yeah, well, but also the power that's attached to that is so enormous that anyone wielding it has unprecedented power.
Yeah, I mean, remember the PC before Bill Gates and company?
Yeah.
The PC was a toy in museums, basically. I mean, it was something that you showed your friends, but you couldn't do anything with it, right? And then comes Microsoft, who showed you, no, we can do things. You can do your income tax, you can do spreadsheets, you can do this, you can do this, and then it just took off. Right?
Yeah.
So we're at that stage now where the computer is still not ready to be used for general purpose calculations. But when it does happen, we're talking about virtual chemistry, virtual biology. Everyone's going to want to jump in the game.